Hello, welcome back to the channel. You want to make YouTube Shorts because you found out that with that 60-second you can deliver some really core message to your audience, right? So you want to create a short video like this, or you want to create a short video like this because it's easy for viewers to consume your great content. But there is not a really straightforward button in a desktop, but you wanted to upload your video from your desktop because all the editing work you are doing in desktop, right? Because it's quite difficult to upload in somewhere like a drive, then you download in your phone, then you upload. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily upload your YouTube Shorts from your desktop, of course for free. Plus I will also show you how to create contents and setting up to get your post going. You want that, right? So let's get started. After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah. Sure. Thank you. So let's give a big hand to the student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them? So first thing first, what you need to have a video, right? So to do that one is about, I want to show you that you need to set up the right video dimensions. You need to remember that to have this get recorded, you need to set up a right dimension. Without this one, it will not be uploaded because as you know that it's a quite portrait mode. So I will show you right now the setting of the project setting. So always set up 1080 multiply 1080, so that's the right size. There is another 600 by 600, another option is there too, but that's not a high definition. So I suggest you to use 1080 multiply 1080, and that will keep going too. So when you do, go ahead and you can just export that one. Now you will have the video ready for you to upload. So the next thing is about, you need to upload the video, right? To upload the video, you go to the desktop, and what you do is about click the upload video. So then when you click the upload video, it's basically we will upload the similar kind of video uploading Windows appearing. So what you need to do is about, basically you need to just select your video. Like say I have already produced the video, so I'm going to put it on here, and now it's just coming on. So now very first thing I will do is about, I'm going to write down my title of fine tuning. I just put it on, and beautiful thing is about, it's when you do it on your phone, you don't have the opportunity to put a really good description of your video, and you know that is so much crucial that for you to have a really good description to put a really good. So let's say about when you want to succeed in your career, you will always need to prepare these 3 skills inside of you as soon as possible to ensure you are always set for your career goal success. But basically I can remove the goals too as well. If you want to succeed for your goals, you will always to prepare these three essential things inside of you. And now here's the point. Now as you wanted to make it as a short, what you need to is about, you need to put it as short. One of the option is about, you can put in hashtag shorts, you can put that way, or you can just put down in your description section. So I prefer to put it in description section because I don't want to put it on a title, because that will mess up with a little bit of my SEO. So now the beautiful part is about, when you're uploading from your phone, you cannot even put a thumbnails of a video, but here now you can even upload a thumbnails of a video too. So I have already produced my thumbnails, so, and I have downloaded here, so I'm going to go ahead and put my thumbnails. So my video thumbnails are ready as well. And I can even add the tags, and even I can put my related to even other related playlist as well too. I can put all this as well too, and I can put say goal success career goals. So I have installed this vidIQ, so this is really helping me to put the right right keywords, and it's really helping me to get a really good SEO for my upload as well too. Shorts, I just put a shorts as well to put in the tag so people can easily get it. So for the time sake, right, and I'm gonna put it on as well, how to achieve your goal, how to achieve your goals. Basically, I can get some sort of goals. So to save the time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come by and I'm gonna take I'm gonna copy some sort of goals which I already have it in my list. So I'm gonna come by here and I'm gonna copy them. I'm gonna put it on here for you just to save the time. So I just copied it. So I'm gonna put in all of them. So let's see how much you guys gonna about. I'm gonna delete some just to get some spaces. Done. So I'm very much done. So I'm gonna go next. I can actually the thing I want to show you one thing is about you probably know how to create a great thumbnails. I have made another video absolutely for free. I'm going to put it in the top right corner. Check it out, that video, and you will learn how you can make that thing as well too. So let's say I can put just simply one video as an element, more recent video. You can see it's already the shape is showing as a shorts move. So it's already been showing is about as a short video course, not really needed. Now I can go next, and basically I can just even put any schedule I want. I can put it as a premium. Today's 25th, and now it's like I want to put it on at the evening so people can easily can see it. Let's say I put it on 9 p.m. so people come back from work and can watch my video. That's basically it. That's the very simple way you can create shorts and upload your shorts to YouTube channel from using your desktop. It's a Mac or Windows, doesn't matter. So keep creating your great shorts, keep uploading, and I'm looking forward to see your great shorts. And here one more point, every day we're creating new videos to help everyone in technology tools, with content creation and leadership and your career. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up, and we will send you the very next great content which is coming tomorrow. See you then.